चंडीगढ़ सेक्टर 17 में पंजाब नेशनल बैंक के कार्यपालक निदेशक श्री एम परम शिवम द्वारा अंचल प्रबंधक डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद और मंडल प्रमुख श्री संजीव सिंह के नेतृत्व में पीएनबी के नवीनीकृत डिजी हट का हुआ उद्घाटन। देखिए पूरी रिपोर्ट हमारे एडिटर अशोक राणा के साथ।
So you give input to us. Sure, sir. But it looks at there. Ah.
Nice it is. This one, na?
So we have multiple videos, like this is one for the PPF thing. So we have got multiple videos here, sir. So this is like creating the VP debit card management. So they can pick and choose.
So
But the thing is,
who will?
you go back. Earlier it was running, na?
Yes, sir.
You go to. Now you will come to know, as a new customer, this many videos are available. Then you have to give a indicator here. If you touch, it should be.
Sure, sir.
So for that, some directory should be available wherein I can reach those videos also.
Right, sir.
It is inside. You know. I will not know as a customer. So that for that make some provision. Ultimately, na, ease of reaching. That's all.
Yes, sir.
Things. Only thing, उसका visibility. This I told.
पुराना वीएनसी मीडिया से आज सेक्टर 17 पीएनबी बैंक में आए थे हम। यहाँ पर एक डिजिट हट के नाम से एक उसका इनोवेशन हुआ है। उसको इनोवेशन करने के लिए परम शिवम जी आए हुए थे, उनसे हम मिले और उनके साथ जो वार्ता हुई उसको आप देखेंगे। सर हमारे साथ श्री एम शिवम जी हैं। आप इस पंजाब नेशनल बैंक में जो डिजिटलाइजेशन हुआ है इसके बारे में कुछ बोलेंगे? दो शब्द जो मतलब आपको लगे कि इसके लिए बहुत ऊपर लगा। ठीक है।
Yeah, Punjab National Bank is implementing so many digital initiatives so that we can reach out to the customer for their easy access to the banking products. This DigiHut is also one such improvement what our Chandigarh zone has done. Specifically, they have refurbished it and they have placed all the technical machines like ATM, DNA, passbook updation machine, check acceptor, all those things they have kept in a single roof, wherein 24/7 this service will be available to the customer for the easy access and ease of doing business. We have implemented all these things. Last week we conducted one retail camp, Pan India, in which more than 9,000 crore leads have been generated by our Punjab National Bank staff itself. It was a wonderful, successful scheme which we have implemented now. And in this current week, in similar lines, MSME camp also we are going to conduct. In that also we have given specified targets to reach out to the customer because present day situation, MSME are the first needy people for whom the bank should reach out. So PNB is reaching out to the customers. We are identifying the customers through clusters. 200 clusters pan India we are going to conduct such a camp, and in Haryana 5 places we are going to conduct such camps wherein MSME customers will be identified. They will be given the required loans, and the schemes of Punjab National Bank will be informed to them in the camp. There is no hidden charges as such by PNB. We are one of the biggest bank in the country with more than 10,000 branches, 15,000 ATMs, 33,000 business correspondents, more than 60,000 touch points we have. We are having the pan India presence, and PNB is doing really well. We are for the people. We will grow with the people. Thank you so much.
Sir, it is a very good initiative. What is the idea behind this, sir? This Navratna.
Yeah. Actually, they are our founders of Punjab National Bank. this is the only bank in the country which is in continuation for 3 centuries. 19th century, 20th century and 21st century it is running successfully. On the way it has amalgamated 9 banks also. Whichever banks government is telling, all those banks Punjab National Bank has amalgamated successfully and it has grown from strength to strength. All the positives of the amalgamated bank also it has taken into it and it has grown further.
Will it
Sir,
go
this-
in?
yeah.
Will it go in all the branches of the PNB?
Every branch will have the founder's photo now. Every administrative office will have the founder's photo now. Everybody should respect our founders. Without them, we are nothing.
सर जैसे डीजी हट
Since they have, this is the first Swadeshi bank for the entire country. So with all these things, we have to respect our founders. We have to pay homage to our founders, and every individual entering the branch, maybe my customer, maybe my staff, they should know who have started this. That with that intention only we have introduced this model, and it will be replicated in all the branches and the administrative offices of Punjab National Bank.
It should be the punchline you have written out, Anarkali Baja to Lao to Dariga. I think so. It should be.
चीज़ पूछनी थी सर, ये गांव की तरफ किस तरह आप इसको एलोकेट करेंगे? गांव में किस
हमारा
तरह इसको
2/3 ब्रांचेस गांव में है.
2/3
अर्बन and metro branches है only 1/3 है. 2/3 of our branches placed in rural and semi-urban centers, and our focus is on further expanding such branches only. Wherever our presence is on the lower side, we are focusing, and branch expansion is going on in those areas also.
आर यू गोइंग टू जो कॉपरेटिव सोसाइटी होती है उनको अपने साथ क्लब भी करने का भी विचार है आपके भी साथ में?
No, right now it is not so. Their setup is different, ours is different.
आई वाज आस्किंग यू बिकॉज कि जैसे एक्सपेंड कर रहे हैं पीएनबी को, तो मतलब कॉपरेटिव सोसाइटी तो आती है जैसे स्टेट में होता है, तो उनको भी मतलब चाहिए होता है कि कोई मेरा बड़ा बैंक हमारे साथ चले, तो उनके
No,
साथ कोई नहीं
we will fund the cooperative banks also.
जस्ट
Yeah, we will not amalgamate those banks because they falls under the purview of state government. We are under the purview of central government.
थैंक यू सर।
सर जैसे आज ये डीजी हट की शुरुआत में जितनी सारी सुविधाएं हैं ऑलरेडी भी पीएनबी में थी, या अगर नहीं थी तो डीजी हट की ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ी? आखिर यहाँ पे ये सुविधा कुछ एक्स्ट्रा सुविधा है, एडिशनल सुविधा इसमें ऐड किया गया है?
Yeah, earlier in many places it was not there. Now we are planning to implement in most of the places where customer can better utilize our facilities. Very few locations only having DG Hut. Now we are going to expand it in multiple locations so that more people can have that access.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। ज़्यादा खबरों के लिए देखते रहिए बीएनसी मीडिया चंडीगढ़।